This easy festive slice recipe is the ultimate no-bake holiday treat. Easy to make, fun to share, and guaranteed to bring a little sparkle to your celebrations. Melt the butter, slowly over low heat. Place the biscuits and coconut in a food processor or blender. Blend to fine crumbs. Transfer the crumbs to the mixing bowl and add the melted butter. Mix it until fully combined. Line the baking tray with baking paper and grease it. Once the pan is greased, pour in the mixture and spread it out evenly. Press it down firmly to form a smooth base, then pop it into the fridge for about 10 minutes to set, before moving on to the next step. Take a fresh lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze out all that zesty juice. Don't forget to strain out the seeds. In a jug, combine the gelatin with boiling water. Use a fork to whisk until it's fully dissolved. Then let it stand for 2 minutes to bloom before using in your recipe. In a separate bowl, combine the condensed milk and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Whisk thoroughly until smooth and well blended. Gradually pour the prepared gelatin mixture into the condensed milk and lemon mixture, whisking continuously until everything is fully combined and smooth. Stand for 3 to 4 minutes to cool, then gently fold in the sprinkles into the mixture. Remove the prepared base from the fridge and gently pour the mixture over it. Place the tray back in the fridge and chill for at least 2 hours or until fully set. In a pot, combine water and jelly crystals and bring to a gentle boil. Once dissolved, turn off the heat and stir occasionally. Let it sit for about an hour to cool to room temperature before using. After 1 hour, take the baking tray out of the fridge. Gently pour the cool jelly over the top. Return to the fridge and chill for at least 3 hours, or until fully set. Now that it's fully set, gently lift the slice out of the pan. Gently peel away the sides of the baking paper from the slice. This helps release it cleanly from the pan without disturbing the edges. Grab a sharp knife and cut it into neat pieces, perfect for serving and sharing. Just look at this slice. Shiny, colorful, and seriously beautiful. Every layer looks perfect. It's way too tempting not to try. Wow, this is as delicious as it looks. Save and follow for more recipes.